Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. So on a quick one today, we are going to be making this stretch mark body butter, specially made for prenatal and postnatal stretch marks. If you're new to this channel, please support this channel by clicking on that subscribe button, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. So let's get started. First, in making this butter, we are going to be needing three very important ingredients which has been known over time to be very effective in treating stretch marks. The first ingredient here we're going to be using is our shea butter. Here I'll be using about 50 grams of shea butter. Shea butter has been known to fade stretch marks, to tighten the pores of the skin, to make skin firmer, and it's one very good ingredient for treating stretch mark. And the next ingredient here is our python oil. Python oil over time has been known to fade scars, to fade spots, and generally fade mark on the body. So it's a good combination with shea butter to eradicate any form of stretch marks on the skin. So we are going to melt this and then bring it back after 5 minutes. Please, it's advisable not to use a microwave to melt. Even though it's faster, it's better you use a double boiling method in melting this. I'm transferring this into a bigger bowl and into a freezer proof bowl so that we can freeze this. So I'm going to be freezing this for about 25 to 30 minutes, and after freezing we'll bring it right back. So here is our frozen butter, and here we're going to whip. Here I'll be using my whisk to whip. I won't be using a stick blender or a hand mixer, although if that's what you have available you can use it. I'm using this because of the consistency I want to achieve. Okay, so I'll be whipping this for about 2 to 3 minutes, and afterwards I'll be adding my last ingredients. Our last ingredient here is going to be vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil has also been known to fade stretch marks, and so in combination with these other three ingredients, it's going to work faster. So I'm adding here a tablespoon of organic vitamin E oil, and also I'll be adding some few drops of alpha arbutin. This is because over time I found out that alpha arbutin helps to lighten the skin and a particular area where it is applied. So it's one of a very great ingredient to accompany these other ones in fighting the stretch mark. This butter is very good for prenatal and postnatal stretch marks, but also can be used for other kind of stretch marks, although it will take longer for it to achieve its result. It is purely organic and it suits the skin as well. I'm going to be whipping this for about 20 minutes to achieve a very fluffy consistency. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Also give this video a thumb up. Follow us on Instagram and on Facebook. And if you need any help, send us a DM and we'll reply you. And for those who generally have stretch marks on their tummy when they're pregnant, you can start using this butter even before you notice any stretch marks. It will help to soothe the skin and prevent the stretch marks from coming. And even if the stretch marks are there, you can also use them also to firm the skin so that by the time you give birth, the stretch marks wouldn't be too visible. Instead of itching that particular place, you can use this butter to rub it off. As you can see, it's so easy to make. You can make it yourself instead of using these harsh chemicals on your skin to get rid of these things and then leaving you with some other kind of side effects. The videos are understandable, straightforward, and short, and the ingredients are readily available, so you can easily do this as a DIY for yourself. Thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you for subscribing as well. Thank you for giving this video a thumbs up. I'll surely see you in my next video. Bye.